This auction lot is for one of my optical dopping kits. This is the easiest, most satisfying way you can possibly dop an opal. You guys have been telling me for years that you don't like using green wax, you burn your fingers, you can't get it to stuck to the stone. Once it's stuck to the stone, you can't get it off the stone, etc., etc., etc. So I have prototyped 40 or 50 different methods of dopping, and I've finally come up with one that is so cool that I've had thousands of these made just so that you guys can have more fun cutting your opals. First, you put a drop of your resin up on top, then you put a dry stone on top of the resin, make sure that it's centered. Third step is to take your ultraviolet light, turn it on. 1, 2, 3 seconds will set it, and then you spin it around for a few more seconds. 5 seconds will give you a light set, all the way up to 10 seconds gives you a really firm set. Now, that's it. This stone is dopped. Stuck on there really solidly. You can go ahead and cut the stone now. How easy is that? How awesome is that? Once the stone's cut, you can pull it off. And it comes right off. It's strong enough to stick on there while you're cutting it. If you want it to be a little bit stronger, a couple seconds more. The glue easily just peels off. Sometimes you get a little razor or a knife to get it off. Set it up, do it again. It's the easiest way to dop I've ever found. Optical dopping kits, what they come with. Each kit comes with one 10mm purple dop, right? So this is a glass dop with a purple head, one 7mm green dop, one 3mm clear dop. Clear dop is for cutting pointers, that's very small opals, less than a carat. With it also comes some ultraviolet resin and nifty ultraviolet light. Right, so that's it. 3 easy steps. That's as easy as it is. All you have to do is make sure that that stone is dry. A note on these, they're all of the dops are handmade, right? And so whenever you get them, the tops won't be perfectly flat. If you look really closely, they're not perfectly flat, especially the 3mm dot. So you just need to take either your Dremel or some sanding paper, or if you're working on an arbor, your wheel, if you're working on a flat lap, just stick them to the flat lap and spin them around, and it'll true up the heads of them to make sure that they're perfectly flat. You don't absolutely have to do it, but I find that they do stick better if you take just a second to true them up and make sure that they're flat. Don't do it out in the outside where the sun can hit it. This is ultraviolet resin that you're using, and the sunlight will cure the stuff prematurely, so don't do that. If you want to set them really hard, take it and walk outside and put it in the sun. That'll help it. Don't drop it. They are made out of glass and they will break. That's it. If you want expansion packs or ordering more glue, I've got expansion packs of sets of 10 in the shop. Also have glue. I can't tell you how many stones it gives you for how much glue, because how much glue you put on it and what kind of stones you're cutting, whether you're cutting large stones or small stones. But I'm going to carry the glue indefinitely in my shop. If you ever need a refill, if you find that you like the green ones, the 7mm, which are my favorite, and you want more of them, or the other ones, I've got them in the shop as well in packs of 10. They're cheap, they're easy, it's fun. I'm having my manufacturers produce thousands of them. Try it out. I love them.